Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, I want to talk about something very important for developers, software engineers, and anyone working in modern AI-powered application environments. Right now, one of the biggest challenges many programmers are facing is understanding how to actually build real software applications using large language models. Many people are experimenting with AI tools like chat assistants and prompt-based workflows. But when it comes to integrating large language models into business software systems or production-level applications, things become much more complex. This is exactly why learning how to program with large language models using platforms like Azure, OpenAI has become an essential skill. Large language models are changing the way software interacts with users. Instead of traditional input-output logic only, applications can now understand natural language, automate workflows, connect with APIs intelligently, and even build conversational interfaces that behave like smart assistants. Developers who understand how to use these capabilities are becoming highly valuable in today's AI-driven technology landscape. To help with this learning path, there is a very practical and structured technical book called Programming Large Language Models with Azure OpenAI, written by Francesco Esposito and published by Microsoft Press under Pearson Education. This book focuses on conversational programming and prompt engineering techniques that help developers design intelligent applications powered by large language models. One of the strongest parts of this book is that it explains how prompting can be used as a new programming approach. Instead of writing only traditional logic-based instructions, developers can now design workflows using natural language interactions between software systems and users. The book also demonstrates how large language models can be connected with APIs, external data sources, and existing application processes to build advanced reasoning systems. It includes real development examples using technologies like Python and ASP. Any core, which makes the learning process practical and applicable to real projects. Another important learning area covered in this book is building conversational user interfaces and designing intelligent assistants that can interact naturally with users. It also explains retrieval-augmented generation techniques, which help applications respond using structured knowledge sources instead of only model memory. Security, privacy considerations, and responsible AI practices are also discussed, which are extremely important when deploying AI systems in professional environments. This makes the book especially useful for software developers, architects, programmers, machine learning enthusiasts, and technical professionals who want to move from basic AI usage toward real application development using large language models. Even learners who already understand programming fundamentals but want to explore modern AI-driven architectures can benefit significantly from studying this material. If you want to explore this book in detail, you can find a link in the description to get this book from the Microsoft Press publication website through InformIT. Take care and subscribe to keep learning. See you in another video.